today's adventure, we're heading to Okuhamana Orange Road in Shizuoka Prefecture, Japan. It used to be a toll road, but now it's open for free and I've got to go and check it out. My friend told me it's like the Japanese version of the Nürburgring. I doubt that's true, but from what he said, there's orange trees on either side of the road, more curves than Nicki Minaj, and perfectly smooth tarmac. We've got to check this out. But before we go, it's time to hit Komeda Coffee. Komeda's been around for ages and they offer a breakfast service for 420 yen, which is as cheap as it gets in Japan. All you get is a boiled egg, a piece of toast and some coffee, but it's good enough for me. As anyone with a naked bike knows, riding on the highway isn't so much fun without a windscreen and a fairing, so I'm just going to speed up the footage to get it out of the way. It's the first time I've made a bike video and I didn't realise how difficult recording audio would be. So unfortunately guys, I screwed it up, so I'm just going to put some background music throughout the video. $1,800 yen in tolls, and 1.5 hours later we arrived at Orange Road. Come on, let's go! Man, I'm in heaven. This is such a good road. It's just corner after corner after corner. The tarmac, like my friend said, is pretty damn smooth. I'm just on the stock Yamaha tyres and it's still not summer yet, but I'm getting plenty of grip. Finally I can get rid of those embarrassing chicken strips on my tyres. At this point, I'd forgotten that I'm on an MT-07, thought I was back on my KTM, decided to check out some little trails. Probably not the best idea, as all I could find was dead end after dead end.
It's the way down? Nope, close. Damn! So don't go in by car or you'll get $300 fine. Oh, wow. Wow, man. Check this view out. Oh, you can see all the mountains there, all the hills, the sea. Don't know what city that is over there, but there's a city over there. Wow, awesome. What a... Alright, I gotta take a picture of this. Instagram time.
Guys, thanks again for watching. As soon as I figure out how to record decent audio, I'm going to be back out on the streets making some cool videos for you guys, so please stay tuned. Peace!